Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to sew on a 6x6 closure. 6x6 closures are typically pretty hard to get laid, but I'll be showing you guys a special technique that you guys can use to sew on this 6x6 closure. So what I'm showing you guys right now is the front and the back of my dome cap, and this is the side I'll be using for the front of my dome cap. So this is where I'll be sewing on my closure. So stay tuned and let's get right into this. So what we're gonna take the front part of the closure, so the front part I showed you guys, and we're gonna put it in the back. Yep. So we're gonna sew it upside down or backwards, whichever sounds best to you or whichever makes sense to you. So take the front of the closure, whichever you pick to be the front, and put it to the back of the your canvas head. So after I flip my dome cap upside down, I'm just gonna center my wig cap and make sure that my wig cap is set to my liking. So because we're working with a 6x6 closure, we're gonna measure 6 inches going across, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna pin down your measuring tape, and after you pin down your measuring tape, you're just gonna pull down your dome cap and pin down your dome cap on those exact measurements. So after I pin my dome cap down, I'm just gonna measure again just to make sure that my measurements are very accurate. And as you can see, they are very accurate. So now we can move on to the sewing part. Right now, I'm just aligning my closure and I'm pinning it down. So after you align your closure and you pin it down, your closure should look like this on your canvas head. Very neat and flat. So when you get these results, you can get right into the sewing. So let's go. So I sewn down my closure off of camera, and as you guys can see, she's extremely flat and super neat. So if you guys want to get these exact same results, just follow this tutorial step by step, and I'm very sure you'll get these exact same results. So guys, here comes the fun part. So what you're going to do right now is remove your dome cap, as you see I'm doing right here, and apply your dome cap right side up. So after you've done doing that, you can start pinning down your dome cap onto your canvas head, and you're basically done. So once again, thank you guys for tuning into my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.